welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be working on a 95
Oh, cool.
F150, and we're going to be doing the high pressure power steering high pressure hose.
Well, you gonna be doing it?
Yeah, I'm going to be doing it. Well, you're going to be doing the work, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. All right?
I ain't used to no boss.
Well,
I'm used to doing this work.
But
Listen,
you are kind
they
of used to me being your boss.
They used to me
Right.
narrating
Yeah.
and doing it.
Yeah. Well, now you're doing it. I'm narrating.
All right, let's
Okay?
get it done.
All
We'll
right.
be right back.
Okay. So what we're going to do first is you're going to pop out the breather tube.
Why can't you pop it out?
Pop out the breather tube.
Okay. All right.
Okay, move it to the side.
All right.
Okay, now you're going to get you a flat screwdriver and you're going to loosen the clamps at the air tube.
This one? This?
Well, these two and the two over there.
Okay.
Okay, and just take that out.
All right.
Okay, and now you're gonna get you some wrenches, line wrenches, and to do that line right there.
Which one? This one?
Well, we'll show you in a minute. We're gonna go get some wrenches and we'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to be removing the power steering line right
This
there.
one?
Nope, that's the AC line. You're gonna be
But why can't I remove this one?
because that's the AC line. We're doing the high pressure power steering line right now.
Okay.
Move your finger over.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. This one.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your line wrench. You need an 18mm line wrench, but before you remove the hose or the line, make sure you have a pan under the truck to catch the fluid that's gonna come out.
All right. Hold on. Let me get that pan under there. Okay.
All right, so now let's start removing that.
Okay. We got an 18mm wrench.
Yes.
Does it matter the name brand? This is a Matco. Does it matter?
No.
Okay. Okay, completely loosen it?
Yes.
Take it out of there?
Yes.
Okay. Man, what the heck, man? Okay.
All right, very good. So now you're gonna follow that down. To I'm on the wrong side. Okay, and okay, down to the steer box. And you'll see the two hoses, and the one you're going to be removing is the one in the front.
This one?
The one in the front, the other one.
This one?
The other one.
That one?
Yes.
Okay.
And for that you're going to need a line wrench, and it's a 5/8 line wrench.
All right, let me go get a wrench. Put this one down. It's hard working in these trucks, man. You got to lean over everywhere. All right, 5/8.
Yeah. Use your muscles.
Man, man, why do they gotta make these things so difficult? All right, now I got a problem here because let me turn it this way. Maybe I can. Like they don't give you no room to swing around in here. Well, now that I got it loose, can I use a regular 5/8 wrench to turn that now?
Yes, you can.
All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna get me a 5/8 wrench. All right, I got my 5/8 wrench. Let me just so I can do this better. This thing's still. You know, this is some bull, man. Won't you do this, man? You know what? Wait a minute. What if I came around this way? There we go. See, that's why they call me Astro. See that? See how I did that?
Your name's not Astro.
That's what people seem to think it is.
I know.
Because they say he's out of this world. See, he fixed that car? He fixed that car with a block of wood and a piece of ice.
Okay, MacGyver.
Alright. Alright, I got it out. Now look at that fluid come out of there. Alright, so what do I do now?
Take the line out.
Okay.
And get you a new one.
We'll get the new line?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, we'll be right back with the new line.
Alright, got my new line. What'd I do with it?
Alright, well, let's try to match it up to the old one. Make sure we got the right line.
Okay.
Is the right line?
Yeah, they look like they're the same.
Okay, now what you're going to do is make sure that it has that little white seal at the end.
This end?
No, the other end.
This end over here.
No, of the new one. Of the new one. Right there.
Okay, okay.
You see that little white seal?
Uh-huh.
You got to make sure that's there, because if it's not there, then it's going to leak.
Huh. Okay, so I guess it's a good thing they got one up here, huh?
Yeah.
What am I doing now?
You do
Go ahead.
it. Okay, so now we're going to, well, feed it in there in its position. Go down to the bottom part first.
Okay.
And put it in.
Okay.
Tighten it up.
Okay. Tighten that one up.
Yeah. It was a 5/8 line.
That one looks smaller though than a 5/8.
Well,
It's gonna be smaller. Let me go get some more wrenches. I'll get a bunch of them and you tell me which one to put on there. Alright.
okay.
Okay, I got a 9/16.
Is it working?
No, it ain't working. Dang it.
Try a 1/2 inch.
What the heck, man? Okay. Let's see, let's get a short wrench here. How about the other side is a 1/2 inch? Hey, it worked perfect, but I don't got that line started in good enough. So, this better be the right line. I think I got it going. Okay, so let me go get me I gotta go get a 1/2 inch regular wrench. And then I'll come back and tighten up, okay?
Okay.
Alright, dang it, my ladder dropped. Dang it, I'm just hanging off the side of the truck. Son of a... You still recording? You can stop.
Yeah.
you can stop.
Bloopers.
What the heck? Oh man, my stomach. All right, I got it now. What the heck you laughing for? Okay. This is so. All right, now.
You good?
And then I can use my line wrench to tighten it up all the way. Can I get in there like this? They don't give you like no room in this. You know, I thought this was gonna be an easy job. It's not giving me nothing but heartache. Really? Really? Come on. I'm gonna pull this line out of the way. Oh, man. Any ideas how I'm gonna get this on there? You know, wait a minute. I'll tell you what. If I can just, if this line would just get out of my way, if I have to bend it. Okay, let's see.
And what line is that?
That's the other one.
The return? Is it return?
Yeah, I think so.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned for what?
For the next video when we replace the return line.
I ain't replacing nothing. Okay, let me see if I can. Yeah, maybe I should get me a longer. If I can just turn this thing just a little bit. You know, how the. Okay, let me see if
That looks like it's in good.
Yeah, but. Okay, great.
Good?
No, not yet.
Oh.
But I got it enough where I can probably hook this onto it. Well, at least I thought I could. Hey, you know, there's another way of doing this. Hold on. All right. I'm not having a good day. All right, it's time to. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. Got it. There. Okay, we're good.
Good job.
What's next?
All right, so now we're going to put it back up here. And that was a 5/8, right? I mean, 18 millimeter, right?
I don't know. You tell me. You know who's doing it.
No, you're doing
You
it.
got me working for free out here.
18 millimeter.
Okay.
Line that up good. And don't damage it.
Okay.
Boy, look at those gloves.
I know. I don't like being dirty.
Really?
That's right.
Could fool me.
How,
You good?
I'm good. All cleaned up down there?
All good? All done? All right, let's get some new fluid.
Okay.
Power steering fluid.
Well, okay. I'll be right back.
Or there is another option.
What?
The transmission fluid you can use.
Yeah, you can use it on the older vehicles like this. You can use transmission fluid, which will save you a lot of money.
Yeah.
I think he got some in the back too. So I will get that. I'll be right back.
All right.
All right. Looks like he got some actual power steering fluid. Super Tech. That's from Walmart, isn't it?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna say nothing about Walmart yet. All right. What you want to do, you can look inside. If you probably can't see inside, you want to fill it up right to about there, because when you start it up, it may spill out. So you fill it up right there, so in that way, if it bubbles up, it won't go nowhere. So we fill it up a little bit, and let me go get the keys and start this up. I'll be back.
Wait a minute. Before you do that, aren't you gonna put at least the breather back so the fumes don't come out?
What do I care about some fumes?
Well, let's finish putting it all back.
Okay.
What about the air tube?
Well, we can leave that off just to make sure we can check the leaks and all.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Go start the truck.
Turn the wheel back and forth while checking for leaks. Okay, how was it?
Good.
All right, and when you check for leaks, you want to turn the wheel all the way till it stops, to the left and to the right. All right, let's check out fluid level. Wipe it off here. We got a little stick right there, and a little low. So let's put some fluid in it. Okay, now we're gonna put the air thing back on, air tube back on, and we'll be right back.
All right, let's put the air tube back on.
Okay. Dang, man, give me a hard time. Okay.
And make sure you tighten the clamps. Get your flat screwdriver.
Okay. You know, I'm doing this without my gloves on, so my hands are getting kind of dirty.
So what does that mean?
Just my hands are getting kind of dirty. I don't like this.
Well, you can wash them when you're done.
Okay.
All right, now put your breather tube back on.
Okay.
And that's it. You're all done.
That's it?
That's it. All done.
So you telling me a shop would have charged me, they wanted like $300 when we called around for price and all. So you telling me just this quick I was able to change my own line.
Yep.
And the line cost me about $20-something.
Yeah, save you a bunch of
and Fisher
money.
Auto Parts, get the lines like $28, $27, $20, and that's it. I mean, wow.
That's why everyone should watch Astro Auto Repairs on YouTube.
They
Save
should.
you a bunch of money.
Just right. I'm a subscriber. All right, we'll be right back. All right, there you have it. How to replace the high pressure power steering line on a 95 Ford F150 4.9. Any questions, be sure to put them in the comments and we'll be sure to answer them. All right, this is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs, and this is my boss, Sylvia from Astro Auto Repairs. That's it.
That's it. If we can't repair it, nobody can.
Have a good night.